So why it is the last record? Because when the loop is happened, right, last record will be there in the work area. So that's the reason every time it gets only the last record. Here. Suppose if you don't have hide statement, if you put the breakpoint here, execute, use the variant here, execute, right? If you double click here, right, 90 will not be there because last value what was there in the loop, that value only will be there. Hence you are getting only last record. Whereas hide will hide the value. You can use it while you are using the work here. The hide means you hide there, I'll use here. Let that concept here. Suppose if I give clear, think of what will be the second list print, second entry, second list, what will it do? It will print any material number value or it won't print because I'm clearing the work area here.
No, not print any value, second value.
Because why?
Because you clear the whole work area.
So here it will be empty, last record, right? When it comes, suppose 10 records, 10th record will go from work area. It will be empty here. You can check it in debug mode. Put the breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Use the variant. Execute. If I double click here, 12, for example, right? Because you have cleared already this work area, it will be nothing here. Nothing. Why zeros here? Why zeros some places?
Default.
Default data type, based on the data type. Now it is becomes empty because you are not passing any value here. This is the concept. Suppose you want to create your own GUI, your own menu here. You can do here. Suppose that you can write here. You can write here set PF status. There is statement. Say suppose my GUI. You can create your own GUI. Double click here. Click on yes, my GUI. Enter. So you can create your own menu here. Go to here, like my choice. Yeah, anything you can give here. Double click here. You can give the code and text. Suppose create material, right? So suppose create material. You can write here create material. Okay. Suppose create table. You want to give as create material MM01T code. Here create table. What is the transaction code to create a table? SC11. Next to message class we have done. Create suppose message class. Create message class. You can create here create message class. What is the transaction code? SC91, right?
Sir.
SC91. Create message class. So this is going to capture in the runtime this values into the system variable. Save this one. Then if you want to give the exit button here, application toolbar also you can create here. Go to here, you can give the exit. Double click here. This is the function code in the runtime. Go to here, function exit, function text, what it should come. Maybe you can write close the screen. You can choose the icon name here. Right, close screen, you can use this one. Information text on the icon. Screen exit. Enter. Shortcut key of 6. On the icon, what text you need? Screen close. Enter. Continue. Save it. Activate now. You have to see based on the code, you should write the code. What you have given. You can check it this code. Whatever that we have created our own GUI through SC41. SC41 is the T code. If you go to here, program name. Okay. Since you created already status, it will be available here. Click on display. You can see parallel here. Application toolbar. My choice, this one. You can write the code on this one. CRM. There is an event will trigger when you click that buttons. Or to user command. If S5 F1 you com equal to this value CRM. Create material. CRM is create material. Call transaction. MM01. Else if S5 F1 you com equal to CRT. CRT. Create table. Call transaction. SC11. Else if S5 F1 you com equal to CRT CRM. Let create material. Sorry. Create message class. Let CR message. You can give both to give CRM only. We can change it that one. Here CR message. Create message. Activate now. This value will capture in the runtime. This value. Right? Create message class. Call transaction. SC93, 91, right? And if here. This is the event it will trigger, not auto user command. For the buttons, push button or the application toolbar. Okay, we have given one more push button right there. You can give else if S5 F1 you com equal to exit leave program. No. Execute. Execute. Right here. It's not coming here. Activate. Back. Execute. Why it is not coming? Why? Because we are clear, right? Statement. So we have to remove that. I put the hide command. Now we can do clear or not. This works or not? It works because we were clearing after hiding a value. Execute. Variant. Execute. See, you can see screen close and exit. My choice. Create message class. Mix create material. Or if you go create table S11 or back my choice create message class S91, or if you click on exit, exit will come. How it works based on this code what we have written here. We put the breakpoint here. Execute the basic list. The basic list. Okay. If you double click here, it goes to second list. Here you can get. Suppose if I click on create message, both I give same. Create material actually this one. Go to here. SYUCOM. CRM. Create material. This is true. If this is true, which statement will execute now? Which statement will execute now? Head number 38 is become true or false? Hmm? Right, this is true. Here it goes to MM01 here. Back. Now if I click on this one, right, attraction will execute here. Then if SYUCOM equal to, right, exit, it will execute this one. How? Exit. This become true. Any questions here? Hello? This is where you can create custom reports, interactive reports, not ALV. ALV, there is one more concept. This is without ALV. Standard earlier reports. Traditional reports.
Sir, what exactly function of hide actually? I not understand it clearly.
Hide is it will
Uh,
hide the value. What you
hide the value.
clicked. Hide the value which is available in this
Hmm.
work area. Hide means you hide somewhere, I will take it. Where in the memory space internally,
Hmm.
whatever the value is available, that value will be available in the memory area and you are using that here in the where condition here.
But
The
without
flow is like
hide,
this.
uh,
I'll write a flow so that you understood. This is a basic report program. Right? Open it. Say suppose material number, material type, material group. You have three fields. Material number 10, material type is raw material, material group is 01. Material number 20, finished material, material group number is 02. Material number 30, raw material, material group 1. Suppose so how many records are there in here in this output?
3 records.
3 records. Now, when you use here hide or carry underscore mara -matnr. Okay, suppose you click here.
Okay.
What becomes is, if this stores M30, this value will be available because you hided that value. If you click on M30, or if suppose if you click on M20, this M20 will be in memory area here because you are hiding MAT and R here. Now when you are writing here, select star from MARC into table IT underscore MARC, where MAT and R equal to or carry underscore Mara F limit. Right? Here what will happen here, because you clicked on this row. Hence this is available in the head. This is the head area.
Yeah.
Head area. Since the head area is available in M20, that value is going to compare here. Here it becomes M20. Right? Clear point here. Suppose
Okay.
you clicked on M10 here. Because you have added, it will become M10 here. At any point of view, for one field is having only one value in the head area. Right? You cannot click here and here at the same time, kada. Right? All of you. You cannot click here and here both at the same time. You can click either here or here only. If you click here, this value will store here. If you click here, this value will store here. If you click on this area, on this material name, it will store here. This is the concept.
One more question. In ALV reporting, we
Mm-hmm.
can use this hide statement, hide syntax.
No.
No, no.
In the ALB
Uh,
report, so we will pass the subroutine to hide the value, not hide statement.
okay.
We'll be doing that now, maybe in the next tomorrow class. It's clear? This concept we can move on.
Yes.
Good. So if you ask the question right, it'll be more interesting for me as well.
Because I already done the ALV, that's why I'm asking this question actually. Because in
uh,
ALV we can use this hide statement.
ALB is the subroutine. If you want, I can show quickly. It won't take much time. Oh. Here you see how we use this. This is the concept here. Suppose I'll put the
Okay.
breakpoint here.
Mm-hmm.
Here, this is a response. This is nothing but works as a hide here. Not hide, hide logic you write here. Hide value will be available in the runtime
Mm-hmm.
on index number. It stores the index number.
Index
Which
number,
row
right?
number you click,
Right,
index
right,
number.
right. Index number.
And
Mm-hmm.
based on that, you can get the data. For example, I'll put the
Mm-hmm.
breakpoint here.
In function model, I think there are parameter at this index. I think so, right now.
This will be like a default value to pass set parameter ID we use. So that when you click MM03, it will go to what value you clicked, that value will carry.
Yeah,
So now, for example, I will execute this report. Now the basic output will come. This is subroutine name. We are ready to start. Subroutine will trigger when you click execute. Now if I click on say FG233, FG233, if I go here, I clicked, hence this subroutine is
trigger.
triggered as sub UR. In the sub UR, this is the variables we should declare R underscore ucom. This is for double click value code in the runtime. And this is a structure which contains, when you double click, see that it contains the value, row number, all tab index value,
Mm-hmm.
both is available.
Okay.
Then since you based on the row index, I am reading here. and this material number will take you to the MM03 based on this code by what I have written here. What the material I click, that material only it will take.
Okay.
Okay. So there is also concept of read line. Try yourself. Same as hide statement. Read line is available. Check it all these variables. What the purpose? We have done SYU come. We have done. We have done LSIND also. Okay. Set PF status. What user command? Hide statement. Get cursor statement also is there. You can try this one. Get cursor concept here. I can copy paste this code. You can try. Very good learning. Get cursor. It uses the same concept of okay, na?
Not that group, sir.
Same.
Group weekend batch.
Project based typing,
Yes.
does not matter. Does not matter. Them also need. Okay, done. Okay, na? Submit, okay, submit not that much we use, but yes, I'll show you submit. Variants are we are using. Submit, see, for example, submit. How to make it this one to be understood? Okay, so I'll give one material type. I'll create one program here. ZMAH underscore submit example. Today's date is 07-June. Click on create. Submit report example. Right here. Select parameters. P and MTRT type more hyphen MTRT. Okay. This value what you are taking, submit. You see first, then you can understood. Say memory ID, I'll give Gemini. Okay. Submit and return. Okay, so I'll write this program. I'll go to different name. Maybe today's date 07-June. Click on create. This program will be called from other program. Type as executable. Okay. Data v underscore material type type Mara hyphen material type. Okay. Suppose you can declare one variable here. IT underscore Mara Marcy or Mara type table of Mara import let's see how it works. Select star from Mara into table IT underscore Mara where material type equal to v underscore MTRT. Okay. Check syntax. IT underscore type table of Mara. Okay. So I will execute the other program. Right here. This is the program we have created other program here. See the program I created just now, this one or this one? Both are looking same, huh? Export, right? This is a program I created just now. I'll put the breakpoint here. Put the breakpoint. Execute. Give FPRT. This export will export the value to this memory ID. Okay. Now if you go to here, I'll put the breakpoint here. This program I created just now, right? Here. Here, I should not call this program. I should call this program. I'll put the breakpoint here. Execute. Give FPRT. Right? Submit. It goes to the second program. Whatever the value is stored under this memory ID, that value will come into v underscore mtrt. No. I think name should be same. Here, here also I'll give the p underscore mtrt. Parameters. Okay, p underscore mtrt. Type mora hyphen mtrt. So this will write under start of section. Okay, let's see now. Check syntax. If s sub rc equal to 0, else statement, number of records. Check syntax. Activate. Right, I'll execute now. Execute. Here I give FPRT. See here. It has executed, right? Observe very carefully. You are storing the value in the memory ID. This you can give any name here. Okay. This program you are calling, where you are calling, you can go to where is list. You can find out here in which program you are calling this one. Here. Okay, here I'll give FPRT. FPRT. Material type. Sorry. Okay, material type. What it is going to store this FPRT value inside this memory ID. This memory ID. Next, it goes to next statement, next system. Next program. You can put the breakpoint here. Go to here. Put the breakpoint here. Back. Execute. Give FPRT. It is in the first program. This value is stored as a temporarily into the memory ID of this one. You can give any name here. What is the value? FPRT. This will take to the next program, second program here. It will take you to, because it is there in this memory available, in this memory FPRT, that value will come to P underscore MTRT. See here. Yes, it came automatically here. Now you are getting the data from the second program. Okay, so based on the business requirement, not very regularly we use this submit statement. But this concept is required to understood. Any questions here? What happens if I don't give unwritten? What is the meaning of unwritten? You can write here. Control came back. Control came back. Since return is there in the above statement. Wait. Execute now. Give FART. Execute. Right. First this second program output will come. And then again comes the first program output. Okay. Then stop recording.